Are you tired of not being able to update your Xbox One because you don't have internet? You're not alone. Many gamers face this problem, but don't worry, I'm here to help you with a step-by-step guide on how to do offline updates for your Xbox One. So first, make sure that you have a USB drive ready. This is the key to updating your Xbox without the internet. So you're going to go ahead and plug the USB into your computer and download the offline update file from the official Xbox website. It's easy to find. I'm going to show you exactly where in a moment. Okay. Next, after the download is complete, transfer the file onto your USB. Then safely unplug the USB and plug it into your Xbox One. Now, power off your Xbox completely. Hold the bind button, that's the button on the left side, and the eject button together. Then press the Xbox power button. This will start the Xbox in a special update mode. Okay? Your console will now be your console will now read the USB and start updating. So sit back, relax while the update installs, and when it's done, your Xbox One will be ready to go just like new. So if you're ready to get back to gaming without worrying about an internet connection, follow these steps, like, comment, subscribe, ciao.